ako makita kasi hindi. Wait lang. Gagawa tayo ng cookie. First, kailangan natin ako. Ginawa ko ito eh. Ginawa ko lang. I made this. You need first, you need dishwasher and powder, and you have spoon and mix it, and you can be, and if you mix it, it's gonna be clay, but if that melted, put in your hand and rub it and take a powder again, and that's a clay. Yeah, I did this. I didn't buy this in school because is no school today. Because the Kawoyol is started. Nasa simbahan sila. Talong. Hey. Okay. Gawa lang tayo ng cookie. Kailangan natin ito. Dalawa na tayo. And pag naalat to, nawala. Patay sila sa akin. Halapin ko yung bacteria. Guys, part 2 na lang po. Part 2 na lang. Malapit daw. Ito sa 3x na lang. Mabagal. Tundok natin. Tundok. What if lagyan natin ito lang? What? Look like clay. So let it be. And holy secret to go. Ito yung kakabisado nila para sa father. Pwede sila mo po ako sapagkat ako'y nagkasala. Ito po ang unang mga kasalanan. Kasalanan ko ay wala. Kasi di ako katoliko, diba? Part 2 na lang, guys. Malapit na matapos. Kasi tsaka